Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you'll be fine and excited to see this summer vacation task. I'll just explain you that how to do this summer vacation task for CASA 1. This is for both CASA 1 chair and for CASA 1 pet cherry. First of all, you'll do general knowledge. There are some questions of general knowledge. You'll memorize all these questions and it will be according to you. For example, if your name is Mustafa, then, what is your name? You'll answer for it, my name is Mustafa. In the same way, you'll answer your father's name in the next question. All other questions you have to memorize accordingly. This is Nazra portion. First kalma and then dua before drinking milk and dua before sleeping. And after that, two more questions. Here comes the rhymes portion. You learn teddy bear along with actions and traffic rule poem along with actions. Johnny Johnny and Incy Wincy Spider. You learn all these four English poems along with actions. Here comes the Urdu poems. Dhobi Aaya and Motor Car. These two are the poems you have to learn along with actions in Urdu poems. There are two more poems which are Machli and Bakoda. Now there's a very exciting portion, that is movie time. I know that you love to watch movies. You have to watch these movies: Nemo, Moana, Frozen, Toy Story 4, Secret Life of Pets 2. And you can tell the story of these movies to your siblings and your parents. You can also record voice notes of these movies and can send to school's WhatsApp number. Then here comes the written work, because word formation is very important for CASA students. First of all, you will do literacy. Write A to E. For literacy, this literacy manual will be followed. Here are lots of activities on this manual. Look, you'll trace these, then tracing activity again, and then introduction of the letter. When you'll trace the A, you'll make a semicircle and then a small straight line. It will become A. In the same way, you'll make other letters also. There are lots of activities for A. You'll finish A in first 2 to 3 days. You'll do all the activities of A. And then you'll go towards the next letter. These all are activities of A. By doing all these activities, you'll be enforced the concept of A, and you'll memorize the formation of A, and you'll practice for it. And by practicing all these, you'll have its formation practice in a very good way. Then after that, here comes B and onward other letters also till E. With these activities, you'll learn vocabulary also and the sound of the words also. Here comes numeracy. Numeracy means the study of numbers. You'll write 1 to 5 in numeracy, for which you'll follow numeracy manuals. This is the manual for numeracy, and you'll have lots of activities for numeracy from 1 to 5. First of all, you'll do 1 and many activities for 1, for which you'll reinforce all the concepts and all the activities and practice work and word formation of word. You'll do coloring also. And after all those activities, you'll practice the word formation of 1, and then you'll go onward to 2 and other numbers. Third and last written work is for Urdu. because you know that Urdu is our national language, so we must have more interest in Urdu, and you'll write alif, ta, te in Urdu. Here comes the manual of Urdu. You'll write curvy alif and you'll practice of it, and you'll do all these activities for alif, and in that way you learn that how to form alif. First of all, you'll do all the activities of alif, and after that you'll go towards be and te. We have planned some art projects for you also. You little kiddos, you will make a pen holder with the help of ice cream, or you can make a paper basket with the help of hard chart and color papers. You have to make only one project out of these. And in daily conversation, you'll use magic words like please, thank you, sorry, excuse me, and welcome to make these words a part of your child's personality.